Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Game Edge coming at you with a quick market status for Monday, October 17th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read when you're done so. Let's move on. Here we have the Tick US model, one to hit on Thursday and Friday's action real quick. Wednesday night, we were talking about how price and the cumulative tick both were compressing. We were thinking this could lead to some kind of large move one direction or another. Thursday morning, we had key levels identified of 350 coming into the session. Massive gap down, had a breakout of this level shortly after. We didn't really see cumulative tick making any new lows here. We then got the confirmation of the short-term tick higher. So again, tough to get in if you did not hit this 350 breakout. However, we did get a retest of this 360, 361 key gamma level. This was confirmed with a continuation higher of the cumulative tick. This would have been another great spot to enter. Would rode this higher throughout the end of the session. Again, we made series of higher lows, higher highs throughout the session. Really no reason to try and go short in the context of what we just discussed. Friday, bit of an opposite move here. First thing to note, cumulative tick. This is the shortest term signal. This cumulative tick above the short-term moving average ribbon, that is shortest term signal. This is best for intraday trades, people that are able to sit in front of the chair, because as you can see Friday, this can reverse and roll over very quickly. Um, so yeah, the context of this, we did get a failure of this. Throughout the session, we had significant buying, really kind of off the open into the close. So again, that should have been a key. Not trying to go long here, either taking profits that you got yesterday if you didn't lock those in, and or going short. Really no reason to be trying to get long in the context of this. Looking at price real quick. 370, 371. This was the key 0 DTE region. However, to be honest, I don't know many people that got this top tick as this occurred in the pre-market. Again, then session opened, waterfall down. Again, hard to get some kind of entry there, but we did get a bit of a stalling action in this 360, 361 level, kind of a key gamma region. We then saw a breakdown again, and then a continuation of lower highs, lower lows throughout the session. So again, how the context was bullish Friday, the context was bearish. Sorry, Thursday context was bearish on Friday. Really no reason to try and go long in that market. Here the ARCX model, just rounding out our tick models real quick. All signals are turned off, nothing going long. Again, cumulative tick below the short-term moving average ribbon, also headed lower. So if y'all have any questions on any of the tick stuff that we just hit on, pop on in the Discord, ask away. No problem answering those. Here we have our gamma dashboards from Friday. Left is the full complex, right is the 0 DTE complex. I do have price movement kind of loosely charted in there. Again, on Friday, opened around 370, came down 360, chopped around a bit, ended down towards 350. We were talking about above 365, pretty loose price action, meaning a lot of back and forth between positive and negative gamma strikes. However, we did have a lot of liquidity here at this 370 level. Again, if we flip over to our 0 DTE, where roughly 15-16% of the complex rolled off from our pre-market PBIs. We did have a pretty significant gamma level here. Again, price stalled here. Coincidence or not sure, but that's what happened. We had that level identified. Again, this happened in the pre-market though, like we talked about, so tough spot to get in. However, here's where the stalling happened around 360, again then 365, which was plus GEX, and then we saw a further sell-off there. So again, we're back kind of in this, I call it a trident area. We have 350, 355, and 360. Those are kind of the goalposts that we're looking at headed into Monday morning's trade. Here, just hitting on our SPY hourly charts real quick. Again, just kind of visualizing those key gamma levels we were talking about. Here we had a 0 DT around 370. Up here you can see the significance of this price action last couple of weeks. Been a good kind of support and resistance line. Have you looking at the next week? Again, we have big gamma level here at 355. You can kind of see the significance of this as kind of a support level. Then we have 360 level. Kind of view this as kind of a key macro gamma level. You can just see kind of the significance of price interaction with this level. So again, below 355, I'm kind of looking towards 350, which is our negative GEX right now. See if this gamma, if we can retake this 360 level, then I'd be looking up towards a push towards this 370 level. Again, we have the 5-minute chart. We just hit on this in the tick review, but again, I just always include it here. So just rounding it out real quick, see the significance of these levels, see how price interacts with them. Again, we get these levels daily from A, doing some TA work, seeing kind of where key price interactions happen on the various last couple weeks. And then secondly, we have our gamma levels that we get from our PBI charts. Often these levels correspond very nicely. We don't think that there's any coincidence by that, hence why we create a Gamma Edge. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. Hopefully the recap game plan for Monday was clear. If it was not, please let us know either in the comments. Come on in the Discord room. Happy to chat away. We got open mic at 7 Central, 8 Eastern. Love to have you guys stop in, ask any questions you want. GammaEdge.us is where you can sign up the pricing page for our server, free 2-week trial. All the tools turned on for you guys. Again, ask any questions you like, poke around the tools. We just introduced some 3D surface modeling if you all are interested in that. I know a lot of people excited when we rolled those out. So yeah, with that, lastly, subscribe and like. We would greatly appreciate that with the content we're producing for y'all. And have a good rest of your night. Good luck on Monday, and we'll be talking to you Monday night. Bye.